శ్రీ ముత్తవరపు వెంకటేశ్వరరావు కాలేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ అండ్ టెక్నాలజీ 2008 లో స్థాపించిన కళాశాలలో MBA, NAC A గ్రేడ్ మరియు ISO సర్టిఫికేషన్ సాధించిన మొట్టమొదటి కళాశాల శ్రీ ముత్తవరపు వెంకటేశ్వరరావు కాలేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ అండ్ టెక్నాలజీ.
Good morning, class 4 Python programming. I hope all of them are able to install Python in your system. All of them know how to install the Python in your system. In this session, we will see type error, name error and different ways of printing values of a variables in Python programming. First one is type error. Okay, we will see about type error in detail. Okay, in this session, suppose we know that what are the data types available in Python programming. The data types available in Python programming are number type, string type, boolean type. Number type is integer and float. String type is str. Boolean type is bool. Okay, these are the data types available in Python programming. Now I want to perform addition of two numbers. Print 10 plus 50. What is the output for this value? Print 10 plus 50. Okay, just I am saving this file, new file, save as type, type type 1. I am giving the name of the file as type 1, type type 1. The name of the file is type 1. What is the type of the file? This is a Python file. I am typing Python properties Python file. Yes, it is the Python file. Save type 1.py. The name of the file is type 1.py. It is saved in the folder save as in csc21 Python folder. Okay, just I want to print the sum of two numbers. Print 10 plus 20. Control S. Just I want to run this one. How to run the Python program? Here I am going to the command prompt cmd. It's in d colon. The folder is in cd csc21 Python dir type 1.py. We have to run the file type 1.py. The type 1.py file can be run using the statement. What is the command to run the Python file? Python type 1.py. In order to run a Python file, at the command prompt, I have typed the Python space type 1.py. Okay, 30. 30 is the sum of these values. 10 plus 20. Suppose I have written the statement like this. Print Srinivas plus Shobha. What is the output of the statement? Print Srinivas plus Shobha. Just control S, going to the command prompt, run the program type 1.py, Srinivas Shobha. Both of them are concatenated. Suppose I want to print float plus float. Print 3.4 plus 6.64444 or 6.87. Okay, this is the first type is float, second type is float. What will be printed? Alt tab, going to the command prompt, run. No problem, 10.27. If we add both numbers 3.4 plus 6.87, we will get 10.27. Okay, suppose I want to write the statement like this. Control C, Control V. Srinivas plus 40. Srinivas plus 40. Okay, the fourth statement, Srinivas plus 40. What is the output for this statement? Control S, Alt Tab. Okay, it is first, okay, second, okay, third one. It is not concatenate str with int. Type error. The first type of error we are studying here in this Python programming is studying errors is also what are the different types of errors occurred in Python programming. This is also the one of the question. The first type of error in Python programming is type error. The type error occurs when it will come, the type error, if different data types we perform the operation on the different data types, then we will get the error of the type error. Okay, type error, when it will come, type error, if we perform operation on different data types, addition operation on the different data types, to print inverted commas mbr plus 56. 56 is of the type integer, MVR is of the type string, string plus integer. Okay, in such type of situations, the error occurred, those type of error is called type error. Can only concat str, not int. Okay, it is saying that, Python saying that I can able to concat string with string only, not string with integer. Okay, suppose, okay, next we will see the same program, just a modification. Okay, it is not allowed here, type error is coming. Okay, print. What is the type of this one? 40. What is the type of 40? The type of 40 is integer. Next, 10.32. What is the 10.32? Float. The first is of the type integer. 10.32 is float. We are performing operation on different data types. What type of error will come? Is it type error will come or not? Okay, we will see. Control S, Alt Tab. I am clearing the screen. The screen can be cleared using the command cl is command DOS command python type 1.py. No problem. Integer plus float. The value is no error 50.32. 40 plus 10.32. The value is 50.32. No problem. One variable is of the type integer. One variable of the type float. No problems. If the same type means both of them are the same type means no error, type error will not come. If different data types means error will come. 40 is of the type number, 10.32 is also of the type number. Okay, both of them are of the type number, so that's why, so it is int, it is float, so this type of error, type error will not come. No type error. If the it is like that means no error. No error. Okay, if we do the operation on different data types means error will come. Okay, now we will see. Print 10 plus true. What is the value of true? Okay, what is the value of true? Here we have seen the data types. True means true equal to 1. 1 means true, true means 1, false equal to 0. False means false, 0 equal to false. Here we are performing 10 plus true. True means 1, 10 plus 1. Is it error will come or not? Control S, Alt Tab, just fastly I am running this program. Okay, no problem, 10 plus 1, 11. Because true itself is a number, that's why 10 plus 0 equal to 1. 10 plus 1 equal to 11. 10 plus false equal to 10. False implies 0. Okay, this is the about type error. Okay, in Python programming, the first type of error. In Python programming, the first type of error we have studied is type error. When this type error will come, if both of them we are performing the operation, both of the variables of different type, then the type error will come. One is string, one is float, or one is integer and another is another data type. Like that means the type error will come. If both integer float means no type error, boolean integer means no type error, boolean float means no type error. But when compared with string plus boolean means type error will come. String into some other variables, string integer type error will come. String into float. We perform the operation on these two means the type error will come. This is about type error in Python programming. What the in exams the question is like this: what are the various types of errors occurred in Python programming? The one type of error in Python programming is a type error. This type error is occurred if both of the types are different data types. One is string and another is integer. One is string and another is float. In such type of situations, the type error will come. If one variable is we are performing the operation, one variable is integer, one variable is float, no type error. Why? Both of them are belongs to of the type number. Okay, both are belongs to of the family number. In such situations, type error will not occur. Okay, this is about type error. Next one, we will see another type of error. Next type of error is name error. Name error. Name error means suppose print A. Only one statement is there in Python program, Python file, that is print A. Print A means till now the first statement print A. A is not defined any value. We have not assigned any value to A. In such situations, the name error will come. Name error means we are printing the value of the variable, but that variable is not defined. In such situations, the name error will come. Let us see practically. We will do practicals about how name error will come. Okay, in this program, just type 1.py. I am saving this file as save as type 2. Type 2.py. Control A, delete all. I am deleting all the statements. This is the second program type 2. Okay, here I am writing the statement A equal to 10. Print A. Okay, control S, just I am testing whether it is printing or not. I am testing. Alt tab, go to the command prompt. The name of this file is type2.py. Okay, no problem. A equal to 10, print A means the value of A is printed. Now I am deleting the value. I am deleting the variable A. The variable can be deleted using the statement del A. If it executed means the variable A will be deleted. Now I am printing the value of A. Print A. Python creates integer for the first statement. The Python creates the integer variable A. For the second statement, it prints the value of A. For third statement, it deletes the variable A. Now we are printing. Okay, A is not available because in third statement it is deleted. In such situations, name error will come. Suppose I run this program using command prompt means Python type2.py. Okay, just I think it is not saved. Control S. Okay, save the file. Just I am running this program. CLS, clear the screen. CLS command for clear the screen. Python type2.py. Okay, name error will name A is not defined. Okay, first A equal to 10, print A means 10 is printed. Next delete A, it will delete the variable A. Now we are printing the value of A. In such situations, A is not defined. In such a type of situations, the name error will come. Second type of error is name error in Python programming. Like this, we will see a plenty of errors that occur while running the Python programming in later sessions. Okay, type error is over. Next one, name error. When name error will occur, okay, the variable is not defined. When the variable is not defined, name of A is not defined. In such situations, the name error will occur. When type error will occur, this type error will occur when we are performing the operation on different types of different data types. This is about name error. Okay, first one is type error and name error. Name error occurs when the variable is not defined. In such situations, the name error will occur. Now we will see different ways of printing values of variable. Printing values of variables. Okay, now I am considering three variables. Roll number equal to 100, name equal to Mohan, roll number, name, percentage. Okay, what is the percentage? Percentage equal to 89.45 percentage. I am considering three variables. I want to print the values of these variables onto the screen. What is the statement? Simple way of printing those values. Print of, what is the variable? First variable name, roll number. Print of name, print of percentage, PER. Okay, just suppose this is the student name, means S name. Okay, just a print of S name like this. This is the one way of the printing values of the variables. Okay, now we will do this program. Just file, new. First thing is save as. Save as. I am saving this file as my statement, STATMENTS, my statements. Dot. The type of the file is Python file, my statements.py. Okay, here I am writing this statement. What are the values? Here we have seen roll number equal to 100, name equal to Mohan, percentage equal to 89.45. Okay, here I am typing all those. Roll number equal to 100, Control S. I am saving this program. Next I will run this program. What is the output? We will see. Here I want, in order to run this program, once again I am saying from starting onwards how to run the Python program. My statements.py. This file is available in the folder CSC21 Python. In D colon CSC21 Python is there on that folder. My statements.py file is available. Okay, from starting we have to type here CMD. Now we are in C drive. I am going to the D drive using D colon CD CS. In order to change the directory from the current directory to another directory, CD stands for change directory. CSC change directory, CSC221 Python. Now we are in this folder. In order to list what are all the files available in this folder, CSC21 Python is there. Okay, here this is the CSC21 Python folder. 1 2 3 4 5 6 files are available. In command prompt, I want to list all the files available in this folder. The command for printing all the files available in this folder are dir command. If we type dir, it will print all the files available in this folder. MVR1, MVR2, my notes, my statements, type1, type2.py. Clear the screen, CLS. Now I am running the my statements.py file. What is the code of the my statements.py? Just I am taken three variables and printing three variables. This is the one method of printing the variables. Okay, just run Python my statements.py. Okay, 100 Mohan 89.5. Okay, it is printed. Nice. Okay, next one. Another way of printing variables is, okay, not three lines. In one statement, I will write all the variables like this. Print roll RNO, comma, S name, comma, PER. Only in one statement I have written all the variables. Okay, This is the another way of printing variables. Okay, just my statements.py I am writing here, control V, control S. Okay, control S, alt tab. In this program my statements.py. Second time it is also printed. The first time is 100 Mohan 89. This is the method 1 of printing the variables. Second time print. Okay, roll number comma name comma next one percentage. This is the second way of printing the variables. Next we will see the another style is also possible. Okay, I want to print roll number equal to 100, name equal to name of student is Mohan, percentage is 89.5. I want to print like this. Then the statements are like this. Print roll number, roll number. It must be separated by comma, not plus. If it is plus means what type of error is string plus number. Okay, what is the type of the what type of error will come? Type error will come. Roll number, comma. What is the value of the variable? RNO. Okay, whatever the inverted commas it is printed, it is concatenated with roll number. Next one, print student name colon. What is the variable for student name? The variable for student name is S name. Next one, print statement, print percentage, percentage. Spelling mistake is there in percentage, don't mind. English is not important, feeling is important. Okay, PER, what is the value of this one? PER. Okay, this is the another way of printing statements. This is the first one, method 1. ATHOD method 1. Just directly using print statements, I am printing the values of the variables. Next one, single line, method 2. Okay, next is this one, using details, some details also. Just I am running this program, I am saving this one. Okay, method 1, method 2, method 3. I am saving in this notes file also. I will share this file to you if you want. Okay, the third method of printing is like this. Okay, I am saving this file, control S. Okay, go to the command prompt and run the program. For running the program, the statement is Python, name of the file, my statements.py. Okay, see here, the first time is just print, second time printing, third one roll number 100, student name Mohan, percentage 89.5. This is the one way of printing the variables in Python programming. Next we will see the last method. No need to write 3 lines, only one line. Within using only one line we will write all the variables. Control C, control V, method 4. The fourth method for printing the variables is like this. Roll number, comma, within the inverted commas, student name, colon, comma, S name, comma. It will be separated. In Java programming, it will be separated using the plus symbol, whereas in Python, it will be separated using commas. Next one is percentage. Percentage, colon. Do the practicals, number of programs. One of the suggestion is do as many number of programs. Okay, percentage. This is the another way of printing variables. Print roll number, comma, student name, percentage. Okay, I am saving this one, control S. This is the method 4. Control C, I am saving this one is also in notes. Method 4 my statements dot py. Just this is the fourth method. I am printing all the variables, like how these are separated: roll number, comma RNO, student name, comma S name, percentage, comma PER. Now I am saving this file and running on the command prompt, clearing the screen CLS. Okay, Python my statements.py. Okay, trace back my line 20 in module. What is the error? Can only concat str, not float to str. Here, see here in this statement, percentage, inverted commas, comma. We have to place comma, not percentage. That's why the type error come. Okay, string can be it cannot be concatenated with percentage of the type float. Percentage it is of the type string. String cannot be concatenated with the percentage float. Type error will come. What is the wrong in this statement? In the last plus per we have written, that is wrong. Okay, here at the end of this statement we have to write comma, not plus. Okay, Control S, Alt Tab, clearing the screen CLS, Python my statement. Okay, now it is fine. This is another way of printing variables. Roll number equal to 100, student name equal to Mohan, percentage equal to 89.45. This is another way of printing variables. Okay, this is about different methods to print variables in Python. Okay, method 1, method 2, method 3, method 4. Okay, first method, directly we can print using the print statement we can print. In method 2, in single line. Python encourages most of the time single line statements. Print RNO. Assignment is also not like this, it is also possible. Okay, another way of assigning the variables is RNO comma S name comma PER equal to 100 comma Mohan comma 89.45. Same, this is also possible. Assigning values to the variables single line or 3 lines. One way of printing, just this is about different ways of printing values of a variables. First method, directly using print statement we can print, or in single statement we can specify multiple variables, or with some string with information and variable name. Both of them can be separated with comma. It is very important that in order to print this one, this can be separated. The string and the variable name must be separated with comma. Student name, comma S name. This is the method 2 of method 3 of printing variables. No, not 3 statements. In one statement, all of them are separated with comma. Roll number, comma roll number, student name, comma S name, percentage, comma. But this is the method 4 of printing the variables, values of a variable. Actually, in project level in Python programming, in order to print variable, they will use another type, format. We will see later about this format. In C programming language we have seen %d, %f, %c. Okay, actually these are used in project level. Developing the projects in Python programming, in order to print the values of variables, they will use this statement, format statement, format %d, %f, %c. We will see these about later. Dear students, in this session we have covered the following topics in Python programming. What is the type error? What is the name error? Next, what is the type error? What is the name error? Followed by next different ways of printing Python variables. Okay, type error, name error, what are the different methods to print the values of a variables. Okay, next session we will come up with a new topic. Okay, have a nice day. Stay home, stay secure. Have a nice day. If you have any query, call to me. My phone number is 994 994. Once again I am saying 994 8585 661. If you have any query, call to that number. Okay, have a nice day. Bye. See you.